Hi friends, this is Imran Aziz. Welcome to SIFTech Simplified. We are presenting part 3 of our ongoing video series. The topic for today is civil engineering and its role in society and global impact. We are presenting 25 multiple choice questions which would definitely help you prepare for the next exam, whether it is CAT test or any sort of the competitive exams. And these questions uh, would be discussed with their answers, and answers have been highlighted so that you could review them effectively at later stages. So let's get started with today's video. It's part 3. We have so far covered 50 MCQs under this topic. Question number 51. The construction of Statue of Unity started in October 2013 by dash. Option A TCS, option B Hindustan Construction, option C L&T, option D Reliance Infrastructure Limited. So who was the construction company who started constructing the Statue of Unity? It's L&T. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Question 52. The Hoover Dam is located on the border of. Option A, the Hoover Dam is located in USA, and the question is regarding the border of the states. Option A is Nevada and Arizona. Option B, California and Nevada. Option C, California and Utah. And option D, Nevada and Utah. So the Hoover Dam is located at the borders of Nevada and Arizona. A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 53. Hoover Dam is concrete dash. What is the material of Hoover Dam? Option A, arc stone dam. Option B, arc earthen dam. Option C, arc gravity dam. Option D, arc stone and earthen dam. Hoover Dam is a concrete arc gravity dam. C is the correct answer for this question. Question 54. Who was the President of United States when the construction of Hoover Dam began? Option A, Calvin Coolidge. Option B, Herbert Hoover. Option C, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Option D, Dwight D. Eisenhower. So option B is Herbert Hoover. B is the correct answer for this question. Herbert Hoover was the President of United States when the Hoover Dam's construction began. Question 55. What are the three purposes of the Three Gorges Dam? Option A, flood control. Options flood control, navigation, and holiday theme park. Option B is navigation, holiday theme park, and power generation. Option C, flood control, navigation, and power generation. Option D, power generation, flood control, and place of meditation. So the purpose of constructing the Three Gorges Dam is option C, flood control, navigation, and power generation. So C is the correct answer for this question. Question 56. What renewable energy source does the Three Gorges Dam use? What renewable energy source does the Three Gorges Dam use? Option A, tidal power. Option B, hydropower. Option C, wind power. And option D, solar power. What renewable energy source does the Three Gorges Dam use? It's hydropower. B is the correct answer for this question. Question 57. Three Gorges Dam is dash. Option A, earthen dam. Option B, embankment dam. Option C, gravity dam. Option D, earthen dam and embankment dam. So Three Gorges Dam Option C is the correct answer. It's a gravity dam. Question 58. Dash is being projected as India's first asymmetrical cable-stayed bridge with gesture Namaste. What is the India's first asymmetrical cable-stayed bridge? Option A, Signature Bridge. Option B, Pamban Bridge. Option C, Sea-Link. Option D, Hora Bridge. So Signature Bridge is being projected as India's first asymmetrical cable-stayed bridge, and its gesture was Namaste. Maybe its name was Namaste. So A is the correct answer. It's a signature bridge. 59. Signature bridge is located in. Signature bridge is located at which river? Option A, Yamuna River. Option B, Kaveri River. Option C, Brahmaputra River. And option D, Ganga River. So A is the correct answer. The signature bridge is located at Yamuna River. A is the correct answer for this question. Question 60. A main span of signature bridge is. What is the length of main span of the signature bridge? Option A, 250 meter. Option B, 252 meter. Option C, 251 meter. Option D, 255 meter. The main span of signature bridge is 251 meter. C is the correct answer for this question. Question number 61. Earth Day is celebrated on. At which day the Earth Day is celebrated? Option A, 5th of June every year. Option B, 12th of May. Option C, 22nd of April. Option D, 22nd of May. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. C is the correct answer. 62. Which gas is mainly produced due to incomplete burning of wood? Which gas is mainly produced due to incomplete burning of wood? Option A, CO, carbon. Option B, SO2. Option C, NO2. Option D, NO3. Which gas is mainly produced due to incomplete burning of wood? It's carbon. A is the correct answer. Question 63. Which of the following is involved in production of carboxyhemoglobin? Which of the following is involved in production of carboxyhemoglobin? Option A, carbon. Option B, SO2, sulfur dioxide. Option C, NO2. Option D, NO3, nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen trioxide. So, which of the following is involved in production of carboxyhemoglobin? Carboxyhemoglobin is produced by carbon. So, production of, yes, it's produced by carbon. So, A is the correct answer. Question 64. Which of the following is a liquid form of aerosol? Aerosol. Which of the following is a liquid form of aerosol? A, fume. Option B, dust. Option C, mist. Option D, smoke. Option A is fume. Option B is dust. Option C is mist. And option D is smoke. Which of the following is a liquid form of aerosol? So C is the correct answer. It's mist. Mist is the liquid form of aerosol. Question number 65. X-ray films are a source of which of the following gas? X-ray films are a source of which of the following gas? Option A, SO2. Option B, CO2. Option C, NO2. Option D, SO3. X-ray films are a source of which of the following gas? It's a source of nitrogen dioxide, NO2. C is the correct answer. Question 66. The maximum size of fly ash is. What is the maximum size of fly ash? Option A 1 micrometer. Option B 100 micrometer. Option C 1000 micrometer. And option D 10 micrometer. The maximum size of fly ash is option C is 1000 micrometer. C is the correct answer. Question 67. Apart from Earth, which other celestial body exhibits greenhouse gas effect? Apart from Earth, which other celestial bodies exhibits greenhouse gas effect? Option A Venus, option B Mars, option C Titan, option D Venus. So Titan, other than Earth, it's the Titan which creates the greenhouse gases. C is the correct answer. Question 68. Which of the following radiations of the sun do greenhouse gas trap? Which of the following radiations of sun do greenhouse gases trap? Option A visible radiations, option B infrared radiations, option C UV radiations, and option D all of the above radiations or all of the radiations. Which of the following radiations of sun do greenhouse gases trap? Option B is infrared radiation, which is the correct answer. It's the infrared radiations. Question 69. Which of the following is used in ceramic industry? Which of the following is used in ceramic industries? Option A electrostatic precipitator, option B dynamic precipitator, option C spray tower, option D wet cyclonic scrubber. So dynamic precipitator is the machine which is used in ceramic industries. B is the correct answer. Question 70. Wet scrubbers are classified into how many types? Dash types. Wet scrubbers are classified into dash types A2, B3, C5, D6. So wet scrubbers are classified into three types. B is the correct answer. Question 71. Which of the following is the largest sink for carbon dioxide gas? Which of the following is the largest sink for carbon dioxide gas? Option A forests, option B oceans, option C ice sheets, option D grasslands. Which of the following is the largest sink for carbon dioxide? It's ocean. Ocean is the largest source of the or the sink for the carbon dioxide gas. B is the correct answer. Question 72. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the fabric filter? Which of the following is incorrect regarding the fabric filter? Option A. They can remove very small particles. Option B. They are liable to chemical attack. Option C. They have low efficiency in comparison to venturi scrubber. Option D. They can handle large volume of gas at relatively high speed. Which of the following is incorrect? So we have to select an incorrect statement. So A, B, and D are correct. They can remove very small particles. Fabric filters are used to remove very small particles. They are liable to chemical attack. Yes, they are liable. They can handle large volume of gas at relatively high speed. Yes, it's correct. But C is the incorrect. They have low efficiency in comparison to venturi scrubber. So as they have high efficiency, therefore C is the correct answer for this question. Question 73. By how much has atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration increased ever since the Industrial Revolution? After the introduction of or after the revival of Industrial Revolution, how much has atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration increased? Option A 20%, option B 10%, option C 40%, and option D 60%. Yes, C is the correct answer. After Industrial Revolution, 40 atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration has increased up to 40% since the Industrial Revolution. So C is the correct answer for this question, 40%. Question 74. What does GWP in the context of greenhouse gases indicate? What does GWP in the context of greenhouse gases indicate? Option A, global warming parameters. Option B, gradual warming parameters. Option C, global warming patterns. Option D, global warming potential, GWP. So GWP stands for D is the correct answer. It's global warming potential. Global warming potential, D, GWP. It is in the context of greenhouse gases. Question 75 and the last question for this third part. What is the GWP of methane over a time period of 20 years? What is the GWP? GWP we already discussed. Discussed its global warming potential. So, what is the global warming potential of methane gas over the time period of 20 years? Option A 86, option B 36, option C 43, option D 67. So, for methane, it's 86. A is the correct answer for this question. So, thank you for watching this video. We have already completed 3 parts under civil engineering's social and global impacts. I hope this question would have helped you prepare for the competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel Tech Simplified. It's available at Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And do join our live sessions at YouTube as well as TikTok, where you can send your questions. You can also send your suggestions at sifttechsimplified@gmail.com. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.